Hi there. Stop converting PDFs one by one. Here's how to batch convert multiple files, all at once, using Foxit PDF Editor. Go to the File menu and click Create. Then select from Multiple Files. In the dialog box, click Add Files. Browse to select and load files for conversion. Optionally, keep the original file names and location. Click Convert to start the conversion. Files will be converted in the ordered sequence. After a short moment, all the files are converted to PDF. Alternatively, go to the Convert tab, expand from Files, and select from Multiple Files. The rest of the process is the same as before. You can also set the default conversion settings in advance for specific file type.